Earlier, building software meant hiring engineers, but now it's just you and AI. This isn't the future, but this is happening now. This individual named Billy Howell just made $1,000 by selling an AI-built app. And here's the kicker, he doesn't even know how to code. No engineers, no coding bootcamps, just AI. Look, most people build an app first and then try to sell it, but Billy flipped the script. He found a buyer before even writing a single line of code. A quick pitch, a handshake deal, and AI did the rest. So Billy didn't write the code, but Replit did, one prompt at a time. And he didn't stop there. Now he's charging monthly for updates, turning a one-time sale into a passive income. And Billy's story isn't an outlier, it's the rise of the 1% startup. We've already seen OpenAI's O3 beating world-class programmers. And AI is writing better, faster, and more efficient code than most human beings. For instance, Mistral's Lechat is writing code 10 times faster than GPT-4o. So AI isn't just assisting you, but it's building entire products. And tech is evolving fast. Companies are hiring fewer engineers, but paying top dollars for those who know how to work with AI. And Billy isn't just stopping with one app. He's just one down, but 51 more to go. So AI is the new co-founder. The question is, what will you build? For more such real-time insights like these, follow and subscribe to AIM Media House. Because think AI, think AIM.